Oh, back to some Royal Doulton dinner plates to show you. We've got two of these. Carlyle is the pattern. Introduced, I think, in the mid-70s and continued right the way up into the late 20th century. A nice sort of little William Morris-esque about this design in terms of its floral central block design, but very sort of modernistic rim to that. And then the outer rim, again, not covering the full rim of these dinner plates, just a quite narrow brand of this colour with a hatching. And again, the chinoise floral design that was very popular and used across quite a few of its H reference patterns during this period. There's the Crown and Lion Royal Doulton Carlyle mark, H5018, Carlyle, copyright Doulton and Co. And they're in very nice condition. The glaze on the back, very fine, glaze on the front. And again, hardly a knife mark on these two. We've got two of these dinner plates. I think from memory they're 10.75, might be 10.5, but the exact measurements will be on the website listing. I don't think they made Carlyle dinner plates in a variety of sizes. By this stage in the production of Royal Doulton, they'd sort of standardised their plate size to either 10.5 or 10.75. And two of them available. If you follow the link in the description below, take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these two dinner plates are going on sale from us in the UK. Thanks for watching.